To start with, we would like to introduce our main health topic on this workshop. We are going to work on how to fight the virus of HIV and AIDS and how we can help the world to reduce it from spreading. Through working towards this goal, we will help the world to become a better place. If we work together, we can stand and we can achieve the best for the good of the people and for the better future in the world. We have a targeted audience that we would like to work with. We are going to work with mostly young people between the age of 15 to 35 because this is where this virus is increasing more and more. Therefore, we are here to focus on this targeted audience so that we can reduce the spread of the virus. Our targeted audience are the most primary targets, even though we are going to introduce the main health topic to everyone so that everyone can benefit from it. Another interesting thing is we are going to provide anything necessary for the help of our targeted audience, even other people, for their own benefits. We also have skills that we need to learn in order to reduce this virus. In what ways we are going to work together with the people to help to fight the virus? The first thing is a lesson about HIV and AIDS. That's skill number one. What should we do in order to stop the spread of the virus? Examples: use of condoms, male laxant. Condoms are the most effective way to prevent the virus and STIs when having sex. The second is getting tested. Be sure you and your partner are tested for HIV and other STI. Be monogamous. That's the third one. The fourth is get vaccinated. And the fifth is don't dodge. The sixth is limit your number of sexual partners and do not abuse alcohol and drugs. The eighth is more like the first. It's having lessons about HIV and know how to protect yourself. Then from skills, we go to behavior control. Behavior control can help when trying to prevent bad attitudes, even bad behaviors in life. So for young children who are still in high school or who are in puberty level, they also need to know what they can do in order to control their behavior. The first is teachings of some cultural beliefs that are not in harmony with good health. For example, bad way of male circumcision can lead to HIV spread if they're using tools which are not safe enough, like traditional circumcision, from one person to another by using the same thing that they used to cut the previous person. The second is parents to take care of their children so that they can grow up with dignity and good attitude. This also helps to prevent diseases in the future for a kid who is raised with parents with the knowledge of knowing who they are and what they need to do in order for him or her to get a better future. The third is education for kids by going to school so that they can totally understand how the world works education can open minds, can help someone to learn for him or her, for him to notice what is wrong and what is right, because it's more like a key to a good future or a brighter future. Even reasoning capacity can grow through education. Avoid unnecessary situation that leads to tragedies. That's like the last on how to control behavior. Then conclusion. In conclusion, our workshop is to work to help people who are living with HIV and AIDS, and to help to educate so that they can reduce the spread of this deadly virus. Well, that is all I have for today. Let me now summarize what I talked about. We are going on working we are going to work on how to fight the HIV virus and how we can help the world to reduce it from spreading. We are also going to work with mostly young people between the age of 15 to 35. This is our main targeted audience. These are more like our primary target. Uh, there are there are certain skills that we need to use in order to control the spread of the virus. We mentioned them on the top chapter of skills. I'm not going to include them on the conclusion. Then lastly is behavior change. We can have a better behavior that leads to a good health for young adults and for the future, for the world to have a brighter future and even a better health. Thank you.